In recent years, researchers found that many computer graphics problems heavily depend on the computation of geodesic loops. However, it is relatively complicated because geodesic loops have no prescribed fixed points. Generally, we specify an initial closed curve as input to the problem, and compute a new closed curve that is locally shortest and stable to disturbance. We begin with computing the shortest loop restricted on a closed edge sequence. For this purpose, the most important idea is to split it into an open edge sequence at a certain vertex v. After unfolded, we compute the shortest path between its two image points inside the unfolded polygon. If the angle at v is less than pi, we can find the next candidate vertex and split the closed edge sequence again. Then we compute the shortest path inside the new unfolded polygon in the same way. Details are available in our paper. If the angle at the candidate vertex is larger than or equal to pi, we obtain the shortest loop on the edge sequence. If the resultant loop is not locally shortest at some vertex on the mesh, we need to update the edge sequence. Therefore, we can iteratively evolve the initial loop into an exact geodesic loop, or a degenerate point in finite steps. Our algorithm is highly efficient. For meshes with around 50,000 vertices, our current implementation can run at interactive speed, in the order of milliseconds. So users can sketch an initial loop and get an exact geodesic loop immediately. Here are more experimental results. The initial loops and resultant geodesic loops are drawn in blue and red, respectively. We are able to apply the geodesic loop algorithm in this paper to interactive applications such as the interactive shape segmentation. The results can be obtained in real time. In this example, we segment the bunny model into 5 parts using 4 geodesic loops. For the Deco cube model, we segment it into 8 parts using 12 geodesic loops. With our algorithm, users can obtain stable geodesic loops at interactive speed. Our method is also insensitive to mesh triangulations and resolutions. Besides, our algorithm is exact, efficient, intrinsic, stable, and robust. Thank you for your review.